Hey, VisionTech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting. Samsung's One UI 8.0 is finally here, and it brings some sweet upgrades to the Gallery app that photography lovers are really going to enjoy. If you're the kind of person who loves editing and customizing your photos right on your phone, then you're definitely going to like what Samsung has done with the background blur tool. It's now smoother, cleaner, and way more powerful than before. Let's break down what's new in the Gallery app with the latest One UI 8.0 update. As some of you may already know, One UI 8.0 is based on Android 16, and Samsung recently rolled out the beta version for the Galaxy S25 series. Since the beta launch, tech enthusiasts and developers have been exploring every corner of the update, and while we've already seen performance improvements, stability tweaks, and exciting new features, the latest news is all about the built-in photo editor inside Samsung's Gallery app. And here's the big update: there are two main improvements in the background blur tool that you'll love. First, the blur effect itself now looks much better when you adjust it. If you've ever used your Samsung phone to take a portrait shot, you probably know about the blur slider that lets you change how blurry the background looks. In One UI 7, using that slider sometimes felt a bit clunky or unresponsive. But now, in One UI 8, the slider feels buttery smooth. As you slide to adjust the blur, the background transitions more naturally, making your photo edits look way more polished and professional, and the best part? You can do it all directly on your phone. Now the second change is something users have been requesting for a long time: the ability to quickly compare your edited photo with the original. With One UI 8, all you have to do is press and hold on the edited photo, and it'll instantly show you the original version. Let go, and you're right back to your edited image. No need to tap undo or jump between screens. It's a tiny feature, but it makes a huge difference when you're trying to perfect every detail in your photos. These small but smart changes really show how focused Samsung is on improving the overall user experience. From the smoother blur transitions to the super easy edit comparison, these upgrades make photo editing feel more natural, quick, and fun. Now, you're probably wondering, who can actually try out One UI 8.0 right now? Well, Samsung officially kicked off the One UI 8.0 beta program on May 28 for the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. But here's the catch: just 2 days later, Samsung closed the beta sign-ups, saying the program was already full. That was a surprise because beta programs usually stay open longer. This time, it filled up fast, maybe because fewer slots were available, or maybe because so many users rushed in to test the new update. But here's something interesting: even after the sign-up closed, some users reported they still managed to join. This could mean that Samsung quietly opened up more spots or might do so again with the next beta version, which could drop soon. So if you tried to join earlier and didn't get in, don't give up just yet. Open up the Samsung Members app and check again. You might still have a shot. And here's even more good news: Samsung has already created beta program pages for both the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S23 series. That's a strong sign these devices will be getting the One UI 8.0 update next. We don't have the official dates yet, but it looks like a wider rollout is just around the corner. So if you're already in the beta program with your Galaxy S25 device, consider yourself lucky. And if you're using an S22 or S23, get ready, because your turn is probably coming up soon. And that's all for today's video. If this update was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to VisionTech, and hit that bell icon so you're always up to date with the latest One UI 8.0 news and everything else in the world of tech. Thanks for hanging out with us today. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.